Hello, Collective. I decided to take my own advice. I did some readings earlier and nature kept coming up. So I decided to come to the park and just enjoy. So I went somewhere different. I found the biggest tree there is and came over here. And when I turned on the camera, I just noticed just how this is framing. And I was like, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It's perfect. Like the perfect spot. I just saw 33 on the timer. And the message that I feel coming through is about acceptance and grace. So maybe you've been going through a hard time, but it has to do with not to discount that. It's like accepting where you are in the here and now. And I know with me, I had an injury, and it's like I'm different now. My body's different now. There are things that I can and can't do as well as I used to be. And how can I find peace with that and make peace with that and still go on to live a happy, healthy, productive life? So, angels, guides, ascended masters, what do you want to tell the collective here about this acceptance? When I got the urge to go outside, I was all excited, and then I was like, oh my gosh, we're having heat waves this week. So it was down to 100 degrees, so I decided to venture out. I decided to venture up from the depths. Yeah, so that's what I was talking about. Releasing difficulty. Oh my gosh. That's exactly what I was feeling, was that energy of how do you just accept what is now and how do we move forward? Oh my gosh, I love this card. I love this so much. Bottom of the deck. How do we do it? Conscious steps. What are you guided to? What do you feel you should do? Considered action and looking forward. So looking forward to the future. What can I create? I'm going to take that card. 6 and 26. Yeah, for sure. Achievement. Bottom of the deck. Completion and a reward. So this feels like you are coming to that point where you're finding acceptance with that. It's hard for me to believe sometimes how many people are out here exercising every day, consistently, in this weather. It doesn't matter what time of day or what the temperature is, there are people out and about. I feel like if they can do it, so can I. 331 on the timer. Yeah, it's a collective effort, right? Maybe their energy is what drew me here, for inspiration in the collective. What do you want the collective to know up from the depths? Up from the depths. Bottom of the deck is 5 of Pentacles. That's that down, that loss, that feeling out. So when you're facing life in an unknown, it's different than it was. How do you rise? Judgment. You get the call. You rise to the challenge. You rise to the occasion. This is about coming up from the depths. Very consciously. Maybe slowly. We have the 4 cups coming out sideways. It's something unexpected, didn't see coming, which literally happened with me, was turbulence. And there are blessings in it. Blessings did happen through that. I had, since I was off work, I literally had the time to do a lot of inner healing work, and that was very productive. It was a different kind of productive. And the Sun card, coming into the light of myself, the light of my heart. That's truly, I mean, look at this. Talk about up from the depths. And that's the message here, is that we get the opportunity to rise after we've had some sort of a fall, a time that we've been feeling down, something difficult. Oh my goodness, can't tell if there's a bug or a hair on my face, but something was bugging me, and now it's not. All right, what do you want to tell the collective about conscious steps? I feel like I'm supposed to look at this. Knight of Pentacles. Seeing something as an opportunity, no matter what it is. An opportunity to take a step and look forward. What do you want the collective to know here about conscious steps? Four of Swords came out reversed. So this is something that has not been easy. And that's the difficulty that we're releasing. So conscious steps looking forward is 7:07 on the timer. Wow. Is how do we find peace with this? Through conscious steps. Every step counts in healing. So healing internally, healing the inner self, also helps heal our body, heal our mind, heal our spirit. I was looking to see if I had the deck upside down, because this one came out reversed as well. Queen of Cups, reversed. So this is like releasing a disappointment, something you didn't expect, something you didn't see coming. It's definitely a disappointment. It's not what you wanted. And still moving forward, still finding the courage and the strength to move forward when life doesn't look like what you thought it would. Oh my goodness, this came out again. It's not reversed. 8 of Cups reversed. You feel like you're not getting anywhere forward. But I feel like in the unconscious, you are. You're just healing a different side of you through this difficult time. What else? So when you're feeling down and out, definitely no peace of mind over the situation, feeling like all is lost and that you're stuck and you can't move forward, a new truth appears. The elementals, the whole reason I came here to the park, the elementals, they have a message for you. That's what it is. 3 of Pentacles on the bottom. And that is why I brought the fairies deck. The elementals have a message for you. Helping you move forward conscious steps. What's lost will be found. Oh my goodness. What was once lost is about to be found. Thanks to the Lost and Found Fairy, sometimes she can help us find things that we never even realized were lost. So when you have the opportunity to look at something in a different manner, look at yourself in a different manner, look at the situation in a different manner, and how can I move forward through this? It's very serendipitous. Something you weren't even looking for was found because of this difficult situation. What else from the elementals, from the fairies oracle? What else? What other messages? Whoa, that was a lot. And it's like what was lost is found, like all in one clump. They all popped out at once. Purity on the bottom of the deck. We have solitude. Think of being alone as meaning that you are all one and in total harmony with everything. The greatest treasures are about those that wait silently during those quiet times. So you're finding that solitude within yourself because of this difficult time. Taking the time to yourself in solitude and being okay with being quiet, being in the still, being in peace. Healing. Now is a time for you to give or receive healing. Everyone has a natural ability to heal others. Yes, even you. In your solitude, you heal. 12:20 on the timer, and I was just hearing you heal, others heal. Like I said, something about the energy of the people that are here drawing me here. As they're out and about and move, they're helping me heal by drawing me here, inspiring me. And abundance. Prepare yourself for incoming abundance. Release any mental blocks that you may have in fairyland and human land. There is enough abundance for everyone. Finding abundance in the difficult times, when you've been going through difficult times. We see the light. Because when you know you don't have what you want, it's easier to see what you do want, what truly matters. Health, wellness, happiness, peace. And what brings that to you? A lot of that is movement for me. So something about healing the internal is also healing the body. So you may not have seen a lot of tangible evidence of a healing of the body or a situation. However, I feel like what they're trying to say is that through you healing your heart, you're conditioning that space to open and receive the abundance that is about to come forward. It's been slow, right? It's been one step at a time, and that's okay. It's the consistent increase of movement and doing as you heal along the way. What else? What can we get to close this message? What's supporting you in this difficult time? What's supporting you? What's supporting the collective in this difficult time? Bottom of the deck is Wisdom of the Magi, mental clarity. So when you can heal yourself, heal your heart, and gain mental clarity, it's definite ally for you, right? You can make better decisions for yourself. Kinship, community, and your group. And here I am, out in my community. Your biggest ally. What'd I say? Their energy, something about feeling like their energy was drawing me here. This felt fine for about 5 minutes. Archangel Raziel, card number 10, Wisdom, Inspiration, and the Akashic Records. So this time period of solitude is bringing in a lot of wisdom. And I feel like what's being shown to you is what you came here to do, your soul's truest mission, not what you do for a job, not who you help in this lifetime. I feel like part of your journey is learning to become a healer. You're finding wisdom in that. You're being inspired by others. You are inspiring others by your actions. And it definitely has something to do with your community, your group, your family, where you live, getting out and about. You are an amazing healer just by being you. So I'm picking up on the sense that even though all these people are moving and walking around me, and I'm sitting, and I want to say just sitting, and that's where the issue lies. I'm not just doing anything. Something about the fact of my energy as a soul, what I'm meant to do is being out in the community, and just by me being here, I'm helping heal. I don't know how that works, you know. I'm a human. I don't get all this. It doesn't make sense sometimes. Does that mean it's not true? It just means I don't get it yet. But I'm gaining wisdom by coming here. And these elementals talking to me. Okay. Let's get a few charms here. What do these charms represent, Spirit? What do these charms represent? Signs. Signs that we are actually improving when we don't see the physical symptoms. If you've been seeing any of these that I pull, this means this internal healing is happening, and the external healing will be showing up soon. Have a blue star, a unicorn, a white star, Virgo. Backside it says practical. Maybe you felt like you use a very practical approach. The sun, an angel, a cross. I feel like at a crossroads, the angels are guiding you. That's part of where your wisdom is coming from. They are guiding you. We have a butterfly, a little bear paw, doggy paw, a key that says love, the sign of Aquarius, that's the healing, friendly. In your community, you're friendly, so people just naturally want to you attract people out of your friendliness. We have a butterfly in motion. I know you can't see these very well. A ring, a pink ring, a commitment to your community, commitment to yourself, commitment to your healing. Octopus. I feel like that's resourcefulness. You have many different places that you can reach out to, many different friends or groups perhaps in the community to reach out to. We have another bear paw. There's support. There's people just like you out there that will help. The sign of Scorpio, and on the back it says passionate. Find your passion again. Know that everything is going to be okay. We have a blooming flower, and we have, this reminds me of the Claddagh symbol, love. It's a heart. Love is in bloom. It's all around you in the community. You just have to get out there to see that. I know it's getting dark. And you're not able to see as well as you did before. Physically. However, there's something about seeing with your heart. Seeing with your heart. Feeling with your heart. Knowing. This wisdom comes from a deeper place. So those are your symbols that if you haven't seen tangible evidence, you know it's working on the inside right now. And the abundance will be coming soon. I love you guys. I hope this helps. I'm right there with you. I'm part of the community. So if you know anybody else that could benefit from this message, please share, because that's the whole goal of me getting on here, is just sharing the messages from Spirit and getting them to who needs them. And you're just like the little worker bees here, just like me. I'm doing my part, you do your part, and together we grow, we heal, and we love. So until next time, go out there and lead with love. Happy healing. See you next time.